everyone, my name is Amarjeet Kaur, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry at ISF College of Pharmacy, Moga. Today, we are going to perform Practical of Medicinal Chemistry 1 for BPharm 4th semester as per the PCI norms. The aim of the practical is to synthesize benzimidazole from orthophenylenediamine. After the completion of the reaction, students should be able to know about the principle, reagents, chemicals used for this reaction. So let us start about benzimidazole. What is benzimidazole? Benzimidazole is a heterocyclic aromatic organic compound. This bicyclic compound consists of fusion of two rings. The one is benzene and the other is imidazole. The fusion of these two rings, that's why it is named as benzimidazole. Benzimidazole are often bioactive. Many anthelmintic drugs like albendazole, bebendazole belong to the benzimidazole class of compounds. Benzimidazole fungicides commercialized, they act by binding to the fungal microtubules and stopping hyphal growth. Several dyes are derived from this class of compound, that is benzimidazole. The chemical reaction involved in the synthesis is that when orthophenylenediamine reacts with formic acid in the presence of sodium hydroxide, the final product obtained, that is benzimidazole. Following apparatus are required for the experiment are condenser for refluxing, dropper for addition the solution, round bottom flask, measuring cylinder for transferring the solution, funnel, beaker, glass rods for stirring, and weighing machine for weighing. As per the GLP guidelines, always remember that all the glassware should be cleaned and dried, and as you know, a lab coat, mask, gloves must wear during the experiment. And the chemicals which are utilized in the reaction mixture are formic acid, orthophenylenediamine, and 10% sodium hydroxide solution, which is prepared by adding 10 gram of sodium hydroxide to make 100 ml solution. The procedure is, first of all, 2 gram of orthophenylenediamine take and transfer it to the round bottom flask. Add 10 ml of formic acid to it. Shake the solution for 2 to 3 minutes. Reflux the reaction mixture for 2 hours by maintaining the temperature 100 degrees Celsius. After 2 hours, switch off the water bath and remove the RBF. After 2 hours, cool the reaction mixture to room temperature. Add 10% sodium hydroxide solution until the reaction mixture is just alkaline to litmus. Check the pH. Now see, the solution is alkaline. After cooling the solution on ice bath, the solution becomes turbid and the precipitation starts here. Now, collect the precipitate by filtering it on filter paper. And finally, the crude benzimidazole is obtained. After filtration, you can see the precipitates of crude benzimidazole which is on filter paper. Thanks for watching.